The Web3 landscape is rapidly evolving, and staying ahead of the curve requires familiarity with the best tools available. Here are 5 essential Web3 libraries every developer should know in 2025, each with its own strengths and applications. First, Ethers.js. This JavaScript library is a cornerstone for interacting with the Ethereum blockchain. It provides a comprehensive set of tools for managing accounts, sending transactions, interacting with smart contracts, and accessing on-chain data. Ethers.js is known for its clean API, extensive documentation, and active community, making it a popular choice for building Ethereum-based decentralized applications. Second, Web3 JavaScript. It offers a robust interface for interacting with the Ethereum blockchain. It provides functions for managing accounts, sending transactions, accessing block data, and interacting with smart contracts. Web JavaScript is widely used and well documented, making it a valuable tool for developers working with Ethereum. Third, Solana Web3 JavaScript. As Solana gains traction, its dedicated library is becoming increasingly important. This library allows developers to interact with the Solana blockchain, offering functions for managing accounts, sending transactions, interacting with smart contracts, and accessing on-chain data. It is designed for speed and efficiency, making it a good choice for building high-performance decentralized apps. Fourth, OpenZeppelin. This library is a treasure trove of battle-tested smart contract security tools. It provides a collection of reusable components and patterns for building secure and robust smart contracts. OpenZeppelin's focus on security makes it a valuable resource for developers who want to minimize vulnerabilities and protect their projects from attack. Fifth, Third Web. This library simplifies the process of building and deploying Web3 applications. It offers pre-built components for common Web3 functionalities, such as NFT minting, token creation, and marketplace integration. Third Web's user-friendly approach makes it a great choice for developers who want to quickly build and deploy decentralized applications without needing to write complex code from scratch.